Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, to my page. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, ano pang hinihintay nyo, mag-subscribe na kayo because we have another motovlog here. Kaya naman, samahan nyo ako. So mga kateki, on this video guys, sasabihin ko lang yung ilang comparison or difference ng Italjet Dragster 700 Twin Limited Edition sa lalabas na Italjet Dragster 700 Twin Premium Edition. So, bukod dito sa 700cc natin or 700 Twin, we also have the Limited Edition 200. This one is limited dahil numbered to. Yan. 249 out of 499 and the colorway, iba rin sa mga lumabas na hindi numbered. Same goes with the 700 Twin. Itong black gold and the Grissini are the limited edition colors. And yung lalabas soon, siguro after a year or two, may lalabas na 700cc or 700 Twin na iba na yung color, and ang tawag naman nila doon ay Premium Edition. Again, this one is the limited edition. We pre-ordered this 2022, na-release ngayon 2026. And two colors, black gold and the Grissini. And this one is called limited edition. Yung lalabas soon ay Premium Edition. This one is 1,025,000. Yung Grissini is 1.105. So 80,000 difference for the color. Pero yung lalabas na Premium Edition is 997,000. Walang 1 million. And kung tutuusin, sa 28,000 difference, I just think na mas sulit ito. Of course, dahil limited edition siya, mauna ka rin magkakaroon. This one is numbered. 8 out of 700. The colors will be different. Bukod sa hindi na siya black gold and the Grissini, magiging black yellow and black red yung colors na magiging available. So, bukod doon, some of the things here, you can also have it on the Premium Edition. Merong Acra, merong Brembo brakes, pero yon walang number. Wala ring steering damper, yung 997 or Premium Edition. Wala na ring DBK parts or the clutch window. Wala na yan. And mawawala rin yung all-in suspension. So imagine, 28,000 difference for this one and the next one, and then ang daming mawawala na worth more than 28,000 pesos. So feeling ko I am lucky to have this than to wait for that na mas maraming nawala. So, swerte yung mga nakakuha nitong Italjet Dragster 700 Twin Limited Edition.